Let's look at making the letter V in Morse code rhythms. The letter V in Morse code is da-da-da-da, as in Beethoven's Fifth Symphony. Da-da-da-da. It was almost the entire symphony. That's all it was, over and over. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. This was before Samuel Morse lived and made this, but I do find that interesting that it was Beethoven's rhythm that he used and it is the rhythm of the letter V. It's exciting. I'm so excited I can't even talk very well. All right, so we're going to use 3 single eighth notes and then a quarter note for the letter V. I'm going to bring up 3 eighth notes. Let's see here. 1, 2, and 3. And then a quarter note at the end of that. Let's slide these around just a little bit so we can see all 4 sounds that make the letter V. That is the letter V. Da-da-da-da.